Hey, what is up, my friends? Welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is a Wednesday, the 13th of May, 2026. It is day number 75 of our documented trading journey. I'll give an update about what happened in the past 24 hours. Sorry that we don't have a video today. I forgot to charge my camera battery, so you have to make do without seeing my ugly face today. For Oanda, we're at 15,936, which I think is a record high. 31% exposure rate, and for Binance we're at 10,323, which with a 3% exposure rate. So Binance is extremely low at the moment. Total net asset value or equity is 26,259 US dollars. Depicted here in this chart is a record high 11.6% gain, or 2,729 US dollars gain since we started 75 calendar days ago. And of course, our strategy is primarily or exclusively a grid or ladder trading strategy. Let's go first of all into Bitcoin. There's no activity in Bitcoin at all because it's been trending up, as you can see, and we've taken profits all the way up until to the point where there's no more significant dips, and yeah, we have basically zero exposure at this point, just 3%, or about roughly 300 US dollars exposure in Bitcoin. But the buy limit orders are set all the way down, and let's see if they get hit. For CFDs, let's first of all look at silver because we had some activity here yesterday. So going to the hour chart, the one that got hit was this buy order around this candle, and then the take profit was around here, around the 85.5 range. So we had a buy order that hit yesterday, and then a sell order, the take profit of that order, which was, let's see how much it was for. I think it was for around 20 US dollars. There you go, at 85.5, and then the buy order was at 83.5. 83.5 buy order, and then a take profit 85.5. So yeah, I've since, of course, reset the buy order here in anticipation that the market will dip again, and then we can take profits again. So yeah, that was the only activity yesterday. This buy at 83.5, and then a take profit at 85.5. Currently, we are slightly in profit for the 25 unit trade here. This one with a take profit up here for about $50. Okay, let's go cycle through the list. For T-bonds, we have a trade open, but seems to be dipping. But yeah, this is just testing the toe into the water, and let's see if it hits down, further down. And if you look at the monthly chart, bonds are in a terrible position now. So yeah, if we follow our policy of only buying depressed assets, this will qualify. But we need to see if there's something structural going on here. Can it go even lower, or is this as bad as it gets? Because it's roughly 40% from its all-time high here. So we'll continue to see if we can load up on that. Okay, China is at a record high. Yeah. Too bad we don't have exposure in that. Crude oil seems to be creeping up again. Copper is, yeah, basically mooning like crazy. S&P 500 all-time high again. And finally gold. Gold, it was yeah, had a down day yesterday. Okay, so that basically concludes my update for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye.